He lies deep underground, a 5-year-old boy, blooded but breathing, while a nation holds its breath, willing him to hang on. Rayan has oxygen and water. This umbilical cord connects him to the means of life, and he's monitored by a TV camera. But the well is narrow, and 32 meters of solid ground separated him from the surface. For 3 desperate days, workers have moved ton after ton of earth to reach him, while his mother appealed to the heavens for help. I prayed to God and begged him to release my son from this hole of dust, she says. Her son went missing on Tuesday, reportedly last seen playing near the entrance of the shaft, close to his home in northern Morocco. Rescue teams have to temper the speed of their operation with great care. Such is the danger of landslides. It is a perilous mission. I managed to communicate with the child, says one rescue worker. There was a response. Then I asked to be lifted back to the surface and I lost consciousness. A deep trench now puts Rayan within a few meters of salvation. But tonight he remains trapped with the most dangerous and delicate moment of the rescue still ahead. John Ray, ITV News.